What's up guys, Aaron here, and today we're going to be talking about 8 simple tips on how to help avoid getting hacked. So there is no way to fully protect yourself when you're on the internet. However, there is a few things that you can do to help fight off hackers as well as unwanted surveillance. So let's go ahead and take a look at a few of those now. So first off, number 1 being install HTTPS Everywhere browser extension. HTTPS is an add-on for Chrome, Firefox, and Opera. So what this is going to do is every time you visit a website that offers data encryption, you're going to automatically be using it. Now you can check any website that you're using to see if it offers data encryption, and the way to do that is to check out the URL, and at the beginning of the URL it should say HTTPS, and if it does, then that means that it is offering secure data encryption. So it should not be saying www or HTTP. And by the way, the S does stand for secure. Now next, number 2 is be diligent with your software updates. So this is something that a lot of people take for granted, especially on a Windows device, and it is to install your updates as soon as possible. So a lot of people just brush them off and install them later on. But a lot of times those updates have been pushed because something has been hacked or somehow there has been some type of security breach, and offering that patch is going to help ensure that you do not get hacked. So I do definitely recommend installing any type of updates as soon as possible. Next, number 3 is offer two-factor identification. So services like Twitter, Facebook, and a lot of Google services offer the ability to have a two-factor authentication which works with your smartphone and adds an extra layer of security when you're logging in. After you entered your password, you're then prompted to enter a numeric code that's then sent to your mobile device via a text message. That way if someone steals your account, they can't get into that account unless they also have your phone as well. Number 4 is tape over your cameras. This is a myth that I'm going to go ahead and solve right now. And a lot of people ask, can people actually see through my webcam when I'm not authorizing them to do so? And the answer is yes. A sophisticated hacker can actually get into your laptop or your desktop that has a webcam built in and actually turn on that webcam. So essentially what this is doing is giving a hacker a peephole into what you're doing. And there is a very unsophisticated and extremely simple way to solve this, and that is using a piece of tape to actually cover the webcam. Next, number 5 is the microphone on your smartphone. So just like we were talking about previously, a hacker can access your webcam, but a hacker can also access your microphone on your smartphone as well. So your best bet is if you're going to somewhere where you're going to be talking about sensitive information is to leave your smartphone out of ear's distance. Next, number 6 is browse anonymously. So without the proper precautions in place, web users leave a digital trail that makes it easy for those with just a bit of technical sophistication to figure out every website you've been on. Now the Tor website solves that problem by bouncing around your communication to computers all across the world, therefore preventing hackers from learning your visiting habits as well as your location. Next, number 7 is protect your email. Now securing your email is a little bit more complicated. However, there is a tool to help simplify the process called GPG. Now getting GPG up and running can be quite a challenge, especially if you're not a very tech-savvy person. Fortunately, the process of encrypting email should become simpler very soon. And that's because Google is testing a new Chrome extension that Google says will make it easier and simpler for their customers to get that extra layer of security needed. And lastly, number 8 is safe photo sharing. If you're an Android user, check out the app Obscuracam. Now this app offers a great way to share photos while protecting the privacy of the people in the photo. The software makes it easy to blur people's faces out that might not want to be online, and also strips out location data from the image file. Anyways guys, that's going to do it for me on this one. This has been 8 tips on how to help avoid getting hacked. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, now's a great time to do so. Be sure to drop a thumbs up down below. As always, I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.